Hi dear students, our first chapter name is Numbers and Numeration. Numbers and Numeration. So what is numbers and what is numeration? Do you know that? Okay, listen here. Numbers means just 1, 2, 3, 4, 100, 99. Okay, this like writing is called numbers. Just numbers, this like writing is called numbers. Okay, understand? Then what do you mean by numeration? Do you know? Listen here. 1, 2, 3. Then 4 how write? F-O-U-R. 4. Okay. This like spelling rate. Okay. That is called numeration. Clear? So numeration means what? Numeration means what is numeration? Yes, numeration means number writing in words. Numbers writing in words. That is called numeration. Otherwise, how can say number names? Number names is called numeration. Okay. Number names is called numeration, or numbers in words is called numeration. So clear, numbers and numeration. Okay, very good. Then next one, numbers on the abacus. Numbers on the abacus. Next one is numbers on abacus. Okay. Do you know abacus? Yes, abacus is like this like. Okay, abacus you can see this like. Then they have the place names. Thousands, hundreds, tens and ones like that. This like place have each needle have there. Okay. Listen here, I writing here one example. 3456. 3456. I writing a number here. That how we can arrange in that abacus. That how we can arrange in that abacus. Okay, listen here. Yes, first we check that place. Ones, tens, thousand, hundreds like that. Then first they asked which number, that is, so ones place is 6 bubbles, 6 balls we put. Okay, then tens place 5 balls put, then hundreds place 4, thousands place we put 3. Okay, so that how read? Yes, that number count and write below. Okay, and that how read? Yes, first which number? How many have here in thousands place? How many bubbles have? 3. So 3 rate, that is which place? 1000. So 3000. Then next hundreds place 4. So 4 rate, which place that? 100. So 400. Okay. Then next place which? Next how many bubbles have? 5. So 5 which place that? Tens. So 5 into 10 what? 50. 50. Okay, 5 into 10 50. Then next ones place 6. So 6. So that how read? 3456. Okay, understand? Another example look. I just draw 4 lines there that represent thousands. First thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Okay, then I draw 4 bubbles on thousands place and 2 bubbles on hundreds place and 2 bubbles on ones place. So that how read? Yes, count and write. How many bubbles are there? That count and write. In here look, tens place there is no bubble, so there write 0. Other all count and write. And that how read? Yes, 4,000. 4,000. Yes, how many hundreds there? 2. So 2 hundreds. 200. 4,200. Then tens place any have? No, so leave it that. Then next which? Ones place 2. So and then and 2. Okay, so that how read? 4,202. Okay, clear? Another example look. Again I draw thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. I mark it that. Then thousands place I write 2 and ones place I write 3. Then I leave it hundreds place and tens place. So that how read? Yes, just like 2,000 and there is no bubbles in hundreds and tens place. Then next one is ones, so 3. 2,003. Okay, clear? Then next, counting numbers. Counting numbers means given number plus which count that. Okay, here counting by 2 is given. So given one number given there, that what? 5,258. Then we want to find 2 counts counting by 2. So we add 2 with this number. Okay, so 5,258 plus 2 we got, yes, 59 and 60. So 5,260 got. Then plus 2 added, we got 5,262 and like that again 5,264 got there. Okay, then counting by 5, say like, okay, here we add 5. Okay, so here 6,719 plus 5. Okay, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. So 6,795 got there. Then again add 5. We got what? Yes, 6,800 got. Okay. Then 6,800 plus 5. We got 6,805. Then next one is place value and face value. Place value and face value. Dear students, do you know what is place value and face value? Okay, listen here. Place value means the place value of a digit depends on its position in the number. Place value of a digit depends on the position on the number. That means here look, 3,589. 3's place 1,000, 100's place 5 and 10's place 8, 1's place 9 have. So what is the place value of 3 there? Yes, 3 into which place that? 3's place which is 1,000. So 3 into 1,000, 3,000 got there. Then 5 into which place that? 100. So 5 into 100 we got 500. Okay. Then 8 What is the place value of 8 there? How find? 8, which place there? Tens. So 8 into 10 we got 8. 18. Okay. Then 9 into 1 we got 9. Okay, so place value means which place that into that number. Okay, clear? The next one is face value. Face value means the face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself wherever it may be placed. Okay. Face value means wherever it may be placed, the digit wherever it may be placed, no change, it is the face value. Okay. So here look, 3659. Okay. Then what is the face value of 6 there? Yes, we never look that place, that is 6. Clear? Another example look here. I writing here one example that look. That time you can clear. I writing here one number 3495. 3495. Find the place value. Find the place value of 9. Okay. Find the place value of 9 in given number. Okay. What is the place value of 9 in 3495? Can you find? How we can find it? Yes. First we write that number 3495. Then check it that. Okay, here I write the places ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay. Then what is the place value of 9 here? Where is 9? Yes, this is 9. So that how find the place value? We want to find the place value. Place value means what? Yes. Place value of a digit means it depends on the position. So which position that? Yes, tens. So 9 into which position? 10. So what, that equal to what? 9 into 10? 90. Okay. Clear? Okay. So place value of 9 is 90. So here the place value of 9 is 90. Then another example look. Find the face value of a number. $3,856. What is the face value of 8? What is the face value of 8 in 3856? How we can find a face value means what? Yes, face value means it's never depends on its position wherever it may be placed. So what is the face value of 8 here? Yes, it is 8. It's never depends the position of 8. Okay. But is okay, clear? Face value it never depends on the position wherever it may be placed, the value of digit itself. Okay. Then next one is expanded form and short form. Next one is expanded form and short form. Okay friends, do you know what is expanded form? Yes, listen here. Expanded form means the sum of the place value of the digit of a numeral is called expanded form. Expanded form means the sum of the place value of the digit in a numeral. Okay. Then listen here. I write here one example. Listen it. 3458. I write one example here. 3458 that expand. Okay, this number want to expand here. So how it possible? How we can expand this number? Do you know? Okay, first we write the places, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay. Then friends, how we write these places? Yes, we write from right side to left. Right side is 1, then tens, then hundreds, and at left side is leftmost side which one? 1000. Okay, from right to left we read that. Okay. Then yes, how it expand? Listen here. 3, which place that is? Thousands. Okay, so 3 and it place also we write. Then sum, what is expanded form? Sum of the place value. Okay, so we write there a plus. Okay, addition symbol. Then 4 hundreds. Then again put what? A plus. Then 5 tens plus 8, which that ones. Okay, this is called expanded form. Another way how we can expand? Yes, 3, which is that 1000. So 3000 write in number. Okay, plus 400s, that is 400, plus 5 tens, that means what? 50. 5 into 10, 50. Then 8. Okay, so 3458 equal to this, like we can expand. Okay, clear? Then next 3000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 7. Okay, here I give an expanded form. Then what is the short form? How write? Yes, 3000, which is the first number? 3, that write first. Then 800, that first number? 8 write. 50, which number first? 5. Then 7, 7 write. Okay, this is the short form. Clear? Another example look. Another example look here. I write one number 4000 plus 200 plus 7. 4000 plus 200 plus 7. So how we can write the short form? Which number first? Thousands place? 4. So 4 write there. Okay, thousands place 4. Then hundreds place which? Hundreds place which? Yes, 200. So which number write there? 2 write. Okay. Then tens place given there? No tens. Tens there is nothing given. So there what do? 0 put. Okay. Okay, tens place there is no number, so 0 put. Then ones place is 7 write. Okay, clear? Then next one is comparison of numbers. Comparison of number. How to compare numbers? A number having more digit is always greater. Okay, a number have more digit, it's always greater. To compare numbers, always beginning with the leftmost place. First compare thousands. If thousands are same, then compare the hundreds. And hundreds are same, next compare next number, like that. Okay. So here I write one example. 5258 and another one 5485. Okay, so two numbers we write here. Then we want to compare these two numbers. Okay, so first we write numbers and I just write the places there. Okay, so how it? First compare the thousands place, leftmost side. Okay, first number comparing time, which first check left number, left place which number here left place? Yes, 5 and 6. So which is greater? Yes, definitely 6. So second number is greater. Okay, then next another example writing here. 8549. 8540. I writing here 48. Okay, so which number is big? How to compare this? First check this thousands place. Thousands place are same. So what to do? Go to hundreds place. So hundreds place check. Both are 5. So next tens place look. Tens place both are 4. Same. Okay. So what to do? Okay. Ones place check. Here 9 and here 8. So which is, they have different. So which one which? 9. Okay. So the first number is big here. Clear? Another example look. I write a number here. Write a number here 8489. Okay. So how to compare this? Thousands are same, hundreds are same. Yes, tens also same. Ones place also same. So this is equal to. Okay, clear? Next is ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order. Ascending order means what? Arrange the numbers from small numbers to big number. So what is ascending order? Ascending order means arrange the numbers from smallest to the greatest number. Okay. Arrange the numbers from which is the smallest number. That write first. Then just big. Okay. Then last which number write? Yes, greatest number, which is the biggest number. That right. Okay. So here I write one example. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. First number 4273, 3583, 4219 and 7518. So first what to do? Yes, first we want to compare which is big, small one and which is big one. We want to compare that. So how we can compare? Yes, check the places. Thousands place check. Yes, which is small here? Yes, thousands place which number is small? 3. So that number write 3583 write first. Okay, that is the smallest number there. Then leave it that number. Then next 3 numbers check, which is okay. Here 4 and here also 4. So next which? Yes, hundreds place check. Then ones, tens place check. Yes, there have difference. So that right. Then next that number right. 4273. Then next. Yes, that so 7518 is the greatest number here. Okay. So ascending order means arrange the numbers from smallest to the greatest number. Clear? Then next is descending order. Descending order means what? Just opposite. Arrange the numbers from greatest to the smallest. First write big number, then biggest number, and the small. Okay, to the small number. First, I write in here one example. 4210, 2509, 3678 and 6250. This we want to arrange in descending order. Descending order means first we write which is the greatest number there. So which is the greatest number? How find it? Yes, compare the thousands place. So which is greatest here? Yes, 6000. So that write first 6250. Okay, then next which is greatest here? First one have 4, second one have 2, third one have 3. So which that 4210, that right next. Okay. Then next, yes, compare next two numbers. 6678 and 2509. So here we arrange that big number to small number, greatest number to smallest number. Okay, this is descending order. Okay, next one is successor and the predecessor. Successor and the predecessor. So what is successor and what is predecessor? Successor means the numbers just after a given number. A number just after the given number. That means given number plus 1. Then predecessor means what? Predecessor means the number just before a given number. That means given number minus 1. Okay, clear? Okay, example. Listen, that time you can understand. Okay, here I write this. Given number, predecessor, and successor. Okay, I write in 3 column here. And I write one number here, given number place I write one number 5458. And what is the predecessor and successor of 5458? How find it? Predecessor means what? Just before, number just before the given number. So 5458 minus 1. Okay, that is what? 5458. 8 minus 1. Yes, 7. Okay. Then successor means what? Given number plus 1. Given number plus 1. So given number 5458 plus 1. 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, clear? Another example look. Another example, I am writing here one number. In given number place I write 4895. 4895. So what is the successor and predecessor of that number? Just 1 minus. Here 95 given, 1 minus 94. 4895 plus 1, that is 96. Okay, another example look. Another example, 3200. Given number is 3200. What is the successor and predecessor? Successor, how find it? Yes, plus 1, that is 3200 plus 1 means 3201. Okay, then 3200 minus 1. So what? 3200 minus 1. 200 minus 1 which? Yes, 199. Okay, clear. Next one is odd number and even number. Odd and even number. Next one is odd and even number. Odd and even number. So, what is odd number and what is even number? How we can? A number, odd numbers means that do not make perfect pair of two. Odd numbers means that do not make a perfect pair of two. Even numbers means that make a perfect pair of two. That means odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then even numbers are which? 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Then how we can identify a number is odd or even? How we can identify a number is odd or even? Okay. Listen here. A number is end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That is odd number. Okay. If a number is end with 2, 4, 6, 8. That number is which? Yes, that is even number. So here I write one example. 3485. Want to check this? The number is whether it is even or odd. How find it? Yes, we just check the last number. Last number which ones place which number have, that is 5. So check 5 is odd or even. Yes, that is odd number. So here write yes, this number is odd. Okay, clear. Then another example look. 4858. So in ones place which number have here? Yes, 8. So 8 is even number. Okay. So that even number. Okay. So odd number means a number end with 1, 3, 5, 7. That number is called odd number. If a number is end with 2, 4, 6, 8. That number is called with what? Yes, even number. So next one is estimation or rounding of numbers. Okay, estimation means to make an approximate calculation. Estimation means to make an approximate calculation. So round to nearest 10. So here I write one question. Round to nearest 10. 73. One number I take 73. This 73 want to round to the nearest 10. Yes, how to round that 73? Okay, first we write the number 73. Okay, first we write number 73. Okay, then which is nearest? Nearest tens which up and down, before and after which are the tens come? Yes, 70. Perfect number which 73. Before which number comes perfect 10? Yes, 70. Okay, then after which is perfect? Yes, 80. 80. Then which is nearest? How find it? Here look, we write 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then put up arrow. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. This we write in down arrow. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9. These numbers are and draw down arrow. Okay. Then 5 is missing there. Okay. So 5 write. 5 we can write up and down, no problem at all. If last number 1, 2, 3, 4, that number coming time we just write up number, and last number 7, 6, 7, 8, 9 coming time we write down, and if it last number is 5, no problem, we can write up and down number. Okay, which number come up arrow and which number come down arrow. So here look 73, which is the ones place number, which? Yes, 3. So 3 which? Yes, up. So 73 round to up number, which? Up arrow. Yes, 70. So 70 right. So 73 rounded to 70, or 73 estimated to 70. Okay, clear? Then next, another example look. 86 rounded to the nearest 10. 86 rounded to the nearest 10. So 86 right, and up and down arrow draw. Then perfect tens right, 18 and 90. Then last number check. I write it here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 1 to 4 up, 6 to 7 down. If 5 up and down, no problem. Okay, then check. Ones place which number there? Last number. Yes, 6. 6, yes, down arrow. So down arrow which number? 90. So 86 estimated to 90. Clear? Another example look. Rounded to nearest 100. Rounded to nearest 100. Round to the nearest 100. So I write in here one number 173. Okay, to the nearest 100. Example 173. 173 rounded to the nearest 100. So I write it 173. Then up and down arrow draw. Then which is the perfect number here? Perfect rounded 100 which? Perfect 100 which? Yes, 73. So 173. Before that which 100 come? Yes, 100. Then 173. Which after that which 100 come? Yes, 200. Then writing here 1, 2, 3. Okay, that numbers writing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is center. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then check. Then 5 coming time up or down, no problem. Okay. Then here look 173. We want to round to the nearest 100. So tens place look. Okay, not in ones place. So here tens place look. So tens place is 7. So 7 which? Yes, down. Okay, so 200. So which is the rounded number which? Yes, 200. Okay, 173 we can round to the nearest 100. That is which number? Yes, 200. So 173 is estimated to 200. Okay friends, I hope you all are understood. These are the modules discussing in this chapter. numbers and numeration. I hope you all are understood.